Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. So, just a quick one. Let's say after installing Ubuntu on your virtual machine and you're having challenges of going to the full screen, so you cannot go to the full screen mode. So, what you can quickly do to resolve this is you come to your device, see insert guest addition cd image, right? Insert guest addition cd image. If you click on it, then when you click on it, you will see this VBox here added into your menu, right? You click on it, right? And you will have this screen. Okay, so once you have this screen, we want to autorun.sh, right? You can see autorun.sh. So we want this file, right? So double click on this file to run. Okay. All right. So what you do, okay, is you right click on it and not open with text, run as a program. Okay. Click on run as a program. All right. Enter your system password. All right. So let's wait. Installing additional modules. All right. So let's wait for it. So press return to close Windows, right? So press on my all right. So once this is done, just need to restart your system. Okay, so let's restart. All right. So if that didn't work, all right. So what we need to do is to let's power off the machine. Let's power it off and let's go back to share. So let's come to settings. So let's come to display. All right, so display, let's take it to 200 percent. Okay, take it to 200% and leave this to be in VMSVGA. Okay, let's leave it in VMSVGA. Let's close it. Right, so let's start our Ubuntu again. All right, so let's take Ubuntu. All right, guys, so you can see now that the screen, if I close this and close this, right, you can see that the screen has eventually, occupied same size with our Windows screen. So let's just wait while we power up. Okay, let me enter my password. It seems it's still not filling up our entire screen. Right, let's go back here. Let's rerun this. Right, so let's wait while it install necessary files. So let's see. Okay, so this is still not expanding. So let's restart once again. Let's power off our machine. Okay, let's power it off. All right, let's come back to settings again. Let's come back to display. Let's change our graphics controller to VBox VGA. All right, so let's put it to VBox VGA. VBox SVGA. Okay, let's leave it as VBox SVGA. All right, so let's close this and let's start Ubuntu system again. Alright, so after you restart, it seems our screen is still not filling up the entire screen. So what you can do right now, since you've fixed all your display, if you come to preference, come to display, you see your scale factor should be 200%, right? So if this is 200% and it's still not resized, then you come to your view, come to virtual screen 1, and check the scale, make sure the scale is in 200, and then you can resize it to 1280 times 720. Right, so I feel that should be let's come back again. View actual screen. Okay, let's come to this 175. Okay, at 175 is fine. All right, so right, put it to 175. Just make sure that whichever scale factor work for you, to make sure that everything is visible right into your screen. Okay, so if you put it to 200, if you come to your view, right, screen 1, if 200 is too much for you, right, so you can just make sure you adjust it to fit in your screen within 150 to 100 should just be fine, right? So I guess this should work fine, for you. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Please, you can comment below and you can subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.